Now in this case, I'm going to grind the lead on a 4-flute tap. So I use a number 8 cam for right hand, set the latch in the right hand slot, set the tap in as close to the chuck as you can, and then set the lip right on top of the setting blade. Pull the blade back. Now the angle that you want to set these at is determined on whether you're having a taper or a plug or bottom. Now these angles are not too standard. They depend a bit on the type of the size of the tap and the pitch of the thread and all. But roughly, a taper tap would be setting on the right, again on the right hand side of our scale, would be 152 degrees for taper, and you would set your cam relief at about 16. For the plug tap, would be set at 145 degrees with approximately a setting of around 12 or 14 on the scale, the clearance relief. And then to do the plug lead, you would set your cam relief at about 0 to 4, somewhere in that range. You'd use variable relief for those, and set your angle over at 120 degrees. Now these vary quite a bit, and for special applications you may want to go in between, so you're going to have to go in between on the angles as well as the camera relief to see what works the best. But I have this set up to grind a plug lead right now, so I'll turn it on. These are all ground on the side face of the wheel. So as you bring it in, you're going to bring in the cross feed in. And once you ground enough off, just let it spark out. And when you do the different various taps, it's best to move your wheel back and forth. Don't keep grinding them all in the same place. After you have the lead ground, and you can swing the workhead over, take the cam off. The face down. If you have a lot to take off, say if a tap is chipped, a lot of times it'll be chipped in the first full two, it's best to first cut the taps off, or at least rough grind them back before you start. Otherwise you'll be grinding and grinding this way. And it's important to get it perfectly flat so that all your teeth are going to be the same height when they engage in the hole. Otherwise you can end up one lip high and it's going to chip or break the tap.